Step into a sacred sanctuary where ancient wisdom meets divine touch. Ancient Temple Massage, your hidden oasis in the heart of the city. Inspired by centuries-old Thai temple healing traditions, our master therapists channel Lana royal techniques passed down through generations. Feel the gentle stretch of Thai yoga massage, the deep release of Toksen hammer therapy, and the soothing warmth of herbal compresses infused with lemongrass, turmeric and plai grown in Chiang Mai's sacred fields. Each 90 to 120-minute journey includes private candlelit room with temple bells and incense, signature heated herbal poultice treatment, holy water foot ritual, and jasmine tea ceremony, post-treatment herbal elixir, rediscover balance. Melt away centuries of tension, awaken dormant energy. Leave lighter, luminous, reborn. Only 12 appointments daily, true exclusivity. Ancient Temple Massage, your location, 160 Ward. Book your spiritual rebirth. Link, phone. More than a massage. A pilgrimage for the soul.